Hi, hello, welcome to Easy Classes. This is Ramesh, I'm a PC technician. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix that your system is booting again and again. If your system is rebooting or restarting again and again, then this is the right video for you. Yes guys, here we are going to do a simple settings on our Windows 10 operating system to fix the automatic restart problem. Okay, let's see how we can do that. Before jumping to the tutorial, if you are watching my video first time, request you to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's see the solution. Go to the Windows search bar and search for Control Panel. Open the Control Panel from the best match result. There you have to click on the System and Security. Friends, if you don't see these options, go to the VBuy and select Category. Then click on the System and Security. Then you have to find System. Click on that. Now in the left side, click on the Advanced System Settings. There a new window will open. Here click on the Startup and Recovery option and hit on the Settings. There you may find the automatically restart is enabled under system failure. So this is the reason your system is getting automatic restart. So uncheck this option to fix this issue. Now click on OK and OK. So now you need to restart your Windows operating system once. Then onwards your Windows operating system will not restart automatically. That's it guys. This is how we can fix the automatic restart problem for Windows operating system. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's meet in the next exciting video like this.